So, welcome students to another episode of our homeschooling and virtual learning process. Today, we'll be taking our prefer and rather chapter a bit forward. That means we'll be learning something more about it. So, last time I said you about the basic concept where to use prefer, where to use rather, what are the keywords that we are going to use. But today, I'll be teaching you the usage of the same structure in a sentence. But before moving forward, let's do a small recap of what we had learned earlier. So, you people were given an assignment to just frame 5 sentences out of prefer and rather using the correct formula and then trying and exchanging it. Okay, so what I found there is maximum of you have used the formula correctly, you have placed it correctly. Only the place where you are going wrong is the usage of the correct tense. You're not using the tense correctly. That is where you people are going wrong. See, maximum of the sentences what I found is it was good, it was creative, but generally if I say 50-60% of the students, what you people were doing is you were trying to just somehow brush it off and just write anything whatever you want. Your sentences did not have the proper logic and it had no meaning too. Anyways, the effort that you people are putting in is very good and it's appreciable. Now here what I found is you people are using prefer and rather together in a sentence. Generally, the plan that I had given you last day, it was just to make you understand how we construct sentences out of prefer and rather. Today, I'll be teaching you the correct entire scenario, what generally you have to write in your ICSE board examination and how we generally exchange prefer and rather with each other. So before we go into the usage of prefer and rather, first and foremost thing I would like to clear you people is prefer and rather should not be used together in a sentence. Understood? The fact is that we should not use prefer and rather together in a sentence. While constructing any sentences in your board examination, do not use prefer and rather together. Now see, prefer has a different set of formula, rather has a different set of formula. So you are not going to mix and match. Got it? In a same sentence, you are not going to use prefer and rather together. Children, now let's understand the concept of prefer versus would prefer. Where we are going to use prefer, where we are going to use would prefer, and why we generally use prefer and would prefer. Okay, talking about prefer first. Okay, we use prefer to say we like one thing or activity more than the other. That was already said last time. It's just for a recap. Okay, now second thing is prepositional phrase to has to be used while comparing two things or action. Got it? Now see, we'll take one example. Like we have books, we have magazines. Got it? Now, someone would like to study books, someone would like to study magazines. Got it? Now, here we have to understand one thing, which is our preference. If you like books, you have to write it first, just after prefer. If you like magazine, you have to just reverse it down. Suppose I'll take the sentence as she prefers books to magazines. Now see here, what did I say you? Prefer means we use prefer to say we like one thing or activity more than other. Now here, book and magazines, these are two things. Correct? Now see here, this particular pronoun or this particular person prefers books the most, and the second formula states that prepositional phrase to has to be used. Got it? Prepositional phrase sorry, to has to be used. Now see, she prefers books, we have a prepositional phrase to magazines. Got it? So she likes books. Now just reverse the case. Suppose if she would have preferred magazine, so what you would have written? She prefers magazines to books. Now see, this particular sentence shows that she is preferring magazines to books. See, again the same thing. Two things we have. One is magazine, one is books, and the prepositional phrase to. Okay. Next thing that we have to check out is we don't use than after prefer. If you are using than after prefer, it's totally wrong. You remember the formula, it's prefer to rather than. Now suppose we take in an example. This is wrong example. She prefers tea than coffee. We generally know with prefer we are going to use to. If you are using than, it's totally wrong. Got it? Now see, we can use a to infinitive or an ing form after prefer. Even we can use a to infinitive or an ing form after prefer. Now first let's write down this formula. We can use a to infinitive or an ing form after prefer. Correct? We can use a to infinitive or an ing form after prefer. Now we should take an example like she prefers drinking tea to coffee. Now this is our example. She prefers drinking tea to coffee. Now see, you have an ing form also used in this particular sentence. Even you can use a to infinitive if you want. Even if you want to construct the sentence in ing form, you can construct. But remember, it should be grammatically correct. It should not be wrong. Now see, if you have s attached with prefers, you can go for using ing. Correct? Or just add s here. She prefers drinking tea to coffee. Okay. Now let's talk about would prefer. Okay. We use would prefer, or we also write it as, see, got it? This is another way of writing would prefer. Don't get confused in your examination. So we use would prefer followed by a to infinitive or a noun. Got it? Same thing. We have to infinitive or a noun. Got it? Two things. Either we have a to infinitive or a noun. Got it? But why are we using this is the question. Got it? And when we are going to use would prefer, whenever we talk about present or our future preferences. Correct? So whenever we are talking about our present or future preferences, we are going to use would prefer. Correct? Now see, if I take an example, I would prefer to go by myself. Correct? See, I would prefer to go by myself. Talking about what we want to do. I would prefer to go by myself. Okay. Now, if next sentence we say, we can take it as she would, see, another form of writing would she would prefer not to drive at night. Got it? Now see this. Our preferences that states present or future preferences. Got it? Now, when we want to say that we would like to do one thing more than the other, we can introduce the second thing with rather than, followed by an infinitive without to. Got it? So understand this thing. You have to be very clear with prefer and would prefer. So that was all about the bookish theory. Now you have King's theory in line. Just check out how to solve prefer and rather, how to put that particular thing in a sentence, how to frame a correct sentence, how to exchange those kind of sentences with the help of simple and logical formula. Okay, so let's talk about the formula, easiest of the formulas I'll give you. Now see, with prefer, you have a noun or an ing plus to our keyword, then again you have noun slash ing. Okay, now we'll see the usage of the same particular formula. Suppose if I take the same example of a kind like I prefer biology to chemistry. Got it? Now see, if we check out our formula, prefer plus noun or ing plus our keyword to plus noun or ing. Now see, I prefer biology to, we have our formula here, chemistry. Correct? Noun to noun, noun to noun. Next, suppose if we have to use ing somewhere, I'll give you an example. I prefer reading English books to speaking English. Now see, what does this sentence say? I prefer reading English books to speaking English. Check out with the formula. Prefer, we have an ing, correct? English books to our keyword speaking English. This is how the formula structure is set for prefer. The basic of the formulas. Now, one more thing. See, with I, it's prefer. Got it? She prefers. Correct? Not necessary that you will be using an ing here always, but maximum of the times you might use. But here she prefers. If you want to create easiest of the sentence, use ing along with the verb, and just at one go your sentence will be framed. Next, let us talk about rather. Okay, or would rather. Now, see, this particular word would rather is always followed by a base verb. Now, if you talk about the formula, your formula is would rather plus v1 plus the keyword than and then again v1. Basic of the formulas. I'll give you an example. Let's take it as I would rather eat at home than eat out. See this? I would rather eat at home than eat out. Check out our formula. Would rather plus V1 plus than plus V1. I would rather plus V1, that is eat. Remember, eat, ate, eaten. At home, then again we have a keyword than, V1, eat again, and then out. It's the basic of the formulas where you are using the base verb with would rather, that is would rather plus V1 than plus V1. It's so simple. Yes, yes, I know. Now the trump card and the formula is in your hand, and you're very excited to go and put it down in your sentence. Let's check out the usage, how to put these formulas in a sentence and interchange. Now let's talk about the interchanging of prefer and rather. Let's take one example like I would rather read a book than watch TV. Now, the sentence says that I would rather read a book than watch TV. Suppose they have given you begin I prefer. They might tell you use prefer or something like that. So you have to be very careful. Your formula remains the same. Now, begin I prefer. We write it as I prefer. Now I said you about the easiest of the formulas. See here, I prefer, go for an ing, it's done. Okay, so I would rather read a book than watch TV. This is our question. Begin I prefer. Now when we interchange, first it's our narration. So narration says begin I prefer, I prefer. Now you check out, I would rather read a book than watch TV. What is my preference? My preference is reading a book than watching TV. So I prefer reading a book to watching TV. That's it. Just see how we have interchanged it. The question says I would rather read a book than watch TV. Begin I prefer. I prefer, see our formula, if you check it out here, correct? Same thing we have done it here. I prefer reading. I said you, if you use ing, it will be very easy for you people to interchange it. Not necessary that every time you use it. Maximum of the times they might confuse you by not giving a sentence which will be framed with the help of an ing. So here you see, I prefer reading a book to watching TV. That is what. Would rather, we have V1, we have the keyword, then again V1. When we are going for prefer plus ing, check out, I prefer ing, we have noun to verb noun. Now here few students will start making us I prefer to read a book. Same if you do with the question I would rather read a book, you will start with I prefer to read a book, but after that what you are going to do, you will be stuck somewhere. Definitely you will be stuck somewhere. I prefer to read a book to watch TV sounds absolutely wrong. It's abrupt. So when you are using I prefer reading a book to watching TV, sentence is easy to frame and it's sounding absolutely correct too. Let's take down one more example. If I say, quite a common of type that had come in ICSE 2020 this year, I would rather eat an apple than unhealthy junk food. Now the sentence says I would rather eat an apple than unhealthy junk food. Same. I prefer. Let's begin with I prefer. So, if you see the same formula, what we had done in the earlier sentence, convert into ing, becomes simple. I prefer eating an apple to, with prefer we are using to unhealthy junk food. That's it. It's so simple. See, I prefer eating an apple to unhealthy junk food. What is our preference? Our preference is eating an apple. Now you see in the question, I would rather eat an apple. Again, here too, our preference is eating an apple. Got it? So it's basic of the conversions, and it will be very easy for you to convert if you follow this particular formula. Okay, last example for today. See, till now we have done interchanging from rather to prefer. Now I'll be showing you from prefer to rather how you are going to interchange. Now see, formula remains the same. The question is Rahul would prefer staying at home to going out now. Question says Rahul would prefer staying at home to going out now. You have to use rather in this particular sentence. See, same thing we write as Rahul would rather stay at home than go out now. Got it? Now see, Rahul would rather stay at home than go out now. Would rather, we have V1 at home, than is our keyword. Again, V1, go and gone, out now. That's so simple. Only what you need to focus is on the particular formula, and your meaning and construction should be appropriate. Meaning should not change, construction should be appropriate according to the formula. So that was all about your prefer and rather. Try to use these particular formulas in your board examinations. Now I have attached one module, assignments related to your prefer and rather. 4-5 sentences are there. Just try and solve it out. If you have any problem, you can do ask your doubts.